Hey, welcome back to the channel HardResetInfo, and today I will show you how to block posts on X. So when you are in your X application and you see a post that you don't really like, then you have to tap three-dot button next to it, and you have a couple of options. So the first option is not interested in this post. If you tap this option, this will hide this post from your X feed, and it will teach the X algorithm to show less posts like this. Let me undo it. I again tap three-dot button, and the next option that you can choose is report post. So you can use that function if the content breaks some rules. So it could be spam, abuse, hate, harassment, violent speech. So here you can see list of options, and you have to pick one option that best describes your concern. So let me choose this, tap next button, and describe your concern in details, and tap done button. You see that X tells me that you report this post. Okay, so let me pick some other post, and if you go to this arrow and then you see username of the account, you want to tap it, and you can select option to mute this user. So if you mute them, this will hide all posts from that account, and you will no longer see them. And the last option that you can choose is to block this user. If you block them, it will completely remove that account from your feed, and they eventually will not be able to interact with you. So basically that were the main options how you can block posts on X. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content just like this.